So, next problem, meron tayong if the edge of a cube is increased by 30%, so how much is the surface area increase? So, meron tayong cube. Okay. So, kung ito ay x, so magiging siyang, ito yung ano, no, condition 1, then condition 2, magiging na siyang, sa condition 2, magiging siyang 1.30x. So, kasi nag-increase siya, no? So, ang pinapahanap is area, surface area. So, ang area ng cube, general formula, area ng cube is 6x squared. Kasi 6 faces. So, dito is for condition 1. Then next, sa condition 2 naman, so magiging siyang area 2 is equal to 6 times 1.30 x squared. So, magiging siyang area 2 is equal to 6 times 1.30 squared x squared. So, multiply mo distributively. So, ngayon, area 2 is equal to 1.30 squared. So, times 6x squared. So, remember, times. So, remember, 6x squared is equal to area ng condition 1. 6x squared. So, area 2 is equal to 1.30 squared. 6x squared is area 1. So, ngayon, yung natin calculator. So, ilan ba yung 1.30 squared? So, 1.30 squared is equal to 1.69. So, area 2 is equal to 1.69 area 1. Therefore, nag-increase siya by, tingnan natin, 69%. Okay? Increase siya by 69%. So, ang answer is letter D. So, na-increase siya by 69. Nag-increase siya by 69%. So, answer is letter D. Okay, so ganun pag magsasolve ng ganito.